The closure beacon is an alternative to the yellow portable sight alarm. It can process alarms from Intellicone Smart Cone Lamps to send incursion warnings, but although it has a built-in sounder, it has no real deterrent measures as it is placed underneath a 1-meter cone. The closure beacons are less conspicuous than a PSA and can operate autonomously for over 500 hours using internal battery power.
Battery level at 100%.
So they are ideally suited for use on unmanned closure points in built-up areas. If there are no other PSAs on site, the closure beacon will simply relay a message via text or email to the person responsible for the road closure or a control room. The Intellicone Closure Beacon, helping to reduce resource.